This SpongeBob in the Hood niche is going completely viral on TikTok right now, and if you look at this page, they are pulling 1.6 million views and getting hundreds of thousands on every single video. The best part about this niche is that it is completely unsaturated because nobody knows how to generate the complex video prompts correctly. It takes less than 10 minutes to pull together an entire clip, meaning you can flood your channel with high-quality content quickly while keeping your production time super low. To show you the proof, here's what I made in 10 minutes. Some clown been printing fake Krabby Bucks in my city. Find 'em. I'd pat one more night and we'll be richer than this crap. Alright, now let me tell you how to make videos like that. First, go to ChatGPT using the link in the description. Go ahead and copy your initial content strategy prompt from our Google Doc, which is in my Discord. Then click on the empty text bar at the bottom. Paste the text directly into the input area. Once that is done, press the arrow button on the right side of the text box to send it. ChatGPT will start generating 3 unique conceptual story drafts instantly. From there, highlight the exact concept text you want to build upon. Copy that specific concept text, then open a secondary prompt template from your documents. Paste the chosen concept into your secondary template structure. Now click back onto the ChatGPT text bar at the bottom of the screen. Paste the completed video script generator prompt right into the box, then click the send icon to process it. ChatGPT will now spit out a fully formatted time-stamped script. You can get all these prompts from my Discord. Scroll down to read the full script to make sure it looks correct. Once you approve, copy your third prompt layout, which covers individual sentence visual details. Paste this into the text box at the bottom, then hit send. ChatGPT will instantly break the script down into detailed scene-by-scene aesthetic instructions. From there, copy the final motion prompt instruction set, paste it into the chat box, and hit send one last time to get your exact AI video generation prompts. By the way, if you want to make this content for TikTok but are outside the Creator Reward Program regions, then check out the accounts I have in the description. Once you have your text prompts ready, open GoScript using the link in the description. Move your cursor to the left sidebar menu and click on the Kling 3.0 Video Generator option. This opens up the video generation workspace. Now tab back over to ChatGPT and highlight the entire block of Scene 1 text details. Copy it, then return to the GoScript tab. Click inside the text prompt box located at the bottom of the generation page. Paste your copied scene text directly inside. Now move your cursor over to the small arrow icon on the far right of the text bar and click it to submit your video generation request to the system. Before we edit, if you want to get access to the best niches before I post them, and you want one-on-one coaching from me, where I literally answer every question, and my short-form content course, then join my community. It is the cheapest it will ever be right now. Now download CapCut using the link in the description to start your editing phase. Click the large blue plus button in the middle of the screen to choose your media files. Once your generated video clips populate into the media panel on the left, click and drag them down onto your timeline. From there, navigate to the left vertical menu panel and click on the text icon. Select the Auto Captions tab from the menu that slides out. Then click the blue Generate button to let CapCut trace your spoken audio track. Once your text layers appear above your timeline tracks, go to the top right settings panel and select Presets. Scroll through the text style tiles until you find the bold yellow theme. Then click it once to format your captions instantly. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the CapCut window and click the Export button. A pop-up menu appears showing your saving options, so go ahead and click the blue download button at the bottom of that menu to save the final clip directly to your computer. If you want to duplicate these exact viral results without guessing the steps, head down to the description right now and join our private coaching community for direct guidance.